So, and it comes with the Bluetooth speaker. Everything. Amazon has everything. I'm pretty sure I ain't the only one, the last one to know about this, but I know I'm probably a little late. Hey y'all, I'm Renee. Welcome and thanks for joining me. So I'm back with some more home updates. Y'all know we are fixing up our old small home a little bit by little bit. In this episode, I'm showing y'all the recent bathroom updates. I'm in the master bathroom right now. Oh, and I got Invisalign, so hopefully I'm not speaking with too much of a lisp. If you see something a little off and you can't figure out what it is, it's probably that I have Invisaligns now. And I'll probably do a video on that. But anyway, let's jump right into the bathroom updates. Now, these tips also apply to new homes, not just old homes. So any home and any size home. Alright, so the first update is I got a new rug. So these are the old rugs. What I like to do is I like to get rugs I can throw in the washer. So I can at least wash my rugs once a week. So we're getting rid of these. These were a placeholder until I could find rugs that I can just, a rug that I really liked, okay? So I got this rug here that's going with my whole theme. It's gray and white. And I got this from Dillard's. So let's see. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, and I always, what I had when we first moved in, before we updated this bathroom, you know, these are new floors, new vanity, all that. What I had before, I had a rug that was long like this, but it was brown. Now we have new floors and things. So I've been looking for a long gray and white rug. And this is what I found. The first rug we had was a little longer than this. It went from all the way from one end to the vanity, all the way to the end. This one isn't as long, but that's okay. I like this. I kind of like that it just fit. It looks aesthetically more pleasing to fit within the frame of the vanity. So this did good while, you know, this was a good placeholder. Okay, that's the first update. Okay, so again, I got that from Dillard's. Next, I got some new towels. I forgot how often you're supposed to replace your towels, but it was time. So when I picked up this rug, I looked around in Dillard's and I purchased this towel right here. Now that I know I like it, I've used it a couple of times. I like the feel, the texture, all that. So I'm probably going to go back and get one or two more of these. And then we also got just plain gray towels from there as well. They do feel better than the ones that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. So I am going to go to the Dillard's website. And I am going to see if I can find the link to the rug and these towels for y'all. Just in case you want gray in your bathroom. It'll be easy for you to find. Or just head out to your Dillard store. Alright y'all, so the next one I'm excited about is a bathroom. We got a new bathroom exhaust fan, vent fan. So, and it comes with the Bluetooth speaker. And it's the one that comes with a light as well. So it has the light, the Bluetooth, and it also has the sound. I don't know how to word it, but you know, it's not all loud and noisy. It's a real soft sound. It doesn't make no noise, y'all. Y'all know what I'm trying to say? Okay, it don't make any noise. It works well. It works excellent. When we moved in the house, the one we had up in here was crap. It was loud as hell. And you know, I be showering and it get all steamy and everything. I'm sweating while I'm showering, trying to be clean. And I'm like, what's going on here? So I think it half worked. I'm thinking like we need to check out the AC and the heat, the HVAC in this bathroom. Well, this made a big difference. So I just picked this up from Lowe's. Me and my hubby picked this out. We've had this one actually for, it may be almost a year now. I just haven't told y'all about it yet. So excuse me. But anyway, it's nothing like fancy to look at, but it makes a huge difference in the bathroom. And I love, love, love having the Bluetooth. Just coming in here, hooking up my, turning on my Bluetooth on my phone, y'all, and listening to my jams during self-care time in the bathroom. So check it out. Now I know this may not be a big deal, huge deal to everybody, but it is to me. So if you haven't thought about that as an update for your bathroom, think about it. All right, y'all. So next, look, this is nothing. Nobody likes to look and stay at a toilet. So I'm going to try to make this quick. So we've been wanting, especially my husband, ever since he tried my cousins years and years ago, he's been wanting a bidet in the bathroom. So y'all, guess what? Y'all know Amazon has everything. Amazon has everything. So this is very affordable. I'll put the information. Y'all know I always try to put everything below in the description. All right, so this is a bidet. We got it from Amazon. You have to plug it into the wall. Can y'all see this cord? Okay, so we got to figure out, we got to mount this to the back of the vanity or to the wall so it can kind of be inconspicuous. Did I say that right? I don't know why I'm trying to pronounce these words with these teeth in. Y'all, I call these Invisalign my teeth, but they actually just Invisalign trays. But you know, we just get a kick out of it around the house. The bidet, you know, is after you get done with your business, a little thing gonna pop out of here and rinse and clean y'all. It comes with a remote. Cut it on. You can control the water pressure. When you get done, you can dry off. You can have the water come out different ways. So like pulsing out. But you know, it just has a bunch of different ways that you can have the water spray out of the wand. That's what they call it, the wand. And then it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different levels for as far as the position and the pressure. So 5 pressure levels, 5 different positions. Oh, we haven't tried this yet, so I guess you can set this to 1 and 2. So it can automatically, oh, we gotta try that out. Okay, it has a wand clean function, a oscillate, that's what I was trying to think of earlier. Oscillate and a pulse feature, dryer, and then you can use the wand, the water, to clean your front area for the females or your rear. Oh, and you can also change up here for the water to go soft or hard. Y'all look it up on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below for y'all so y'all can see the exact one that I've had. We've had this one for over a year as well. And I'm gonna make the wand come out. Normally you can't, I got a little trick to make it come out, but you normally have to be, I can't show y'all as much as I want to show y'all because you need to actually really, to activate everything, be sitting on it. Oh, y'all, and it has the little seat warmer joint. So when you come up in here cold, you know, you don't have to worry about no toilet. You don't have to worry about no cold toilet seat no more. Oh, it's a blessing. I love this thing. It's very easy to clean. Look up the pros and cons. See if this is something you would be into. But I'm just telling you, I love it. It's easy to clean. You take off the top of your toilet seat and you slide this onto your toilet. You just plug it into the wall. So make sure you have an outlet next to your toilet. So see the length. Make sure the outlet is going, the plug is going to reach over to the outlet. What else? What else? What else? Alright, y'all, I had to finesse some things, so the lighting gonna be a little bit different. But this is what it looks like. Let me get a little closer. Let's see. Yeah, so that's what it looks like, y'all. Got these little holes in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. And I have the exhaust fan in here. The bathroom vent. I have that on right now. That's the lighting I'm using now. So I have that on. And it shouldn't sound so loud and annoying. Y'all may not even be able to hear that I have it on. But that's also, this is a perfect time just to illustrate to y'all, demonstrate to y'all how you can't even really hear this thing. So it's not going to be getting in the way of me grooving during my shower or bathroom routines. See, it's coming in and out. But anyway, you may get all the information you want on it when you go to look at it on Amazon. But I'm telling y'all, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Alright, so here's a better look of the bidet. It's not too bulky. This is where we keep the remote. You can nail it to the wall, but we just keep ours up here with the instructions. But you're gonna learn which button is which. Oh, it has air freshener as well. I forgot to tell y'all that. Alright, y'all, so the next update, I might be late to this, okay? I might be late. There's other people out here that may not know either, so I'm putting it in here. So if you already know about it, you already know. If you don't, I'm putting you on. Okay, so I got a new little toilet brush situation. So it gets on my dang nerve. You know, you're supposed to replace your toilet brush. I can't remember how many months it is. Well, I never stick to that like I'm supposed to. And then you know how often we use it. And so you clean your toilet. Then you gotta rinse it off outside, in the shower or tub, whatever, with some hot water. And then, you know, I place it on the, after I use it, after I rinse it off, I gotta place it on the toilet, put the seat down so it'll stay sitting there, and then spray it down with cleaning solution and let it sit for a while, and then go back outside or to your tub and rinse it off with hot water, then stick it back in the thing. Okay, y'all, this is what I've been doing. You know, the older you get, you be learning about germs and all this stuff. So it got to the point for the last few years, that's how I've been cleaning my toilet brush after I clean the toilet. That's a pain in the ass, okay? So, I might be late. Y'all may already know about this. I'm pretty sure I ain't the only one, the last one to know about this. But anyway, y'all, this is a dream come true. First of all, this is the wand. All you gotta do is open up. It got all these little cleaning brushes inside. Y'all, you use one of these brushes and you just dump it in the trash, and you done. So let me show y'all real quick. Let me demonstrate. Okay, let me demonstrate this, y'all. Let me show you. Let me show y'all. I don't know. I'm so excited. I am so excited about this. I'm so excited about this. Thank you to whoever came up with this idea. You take your wand. You got a hole on the bottom. You take it. You stick it onto the brush. Hear that click? Pull it out. It's on there. You leave this in the water for, I can't remember what the directions say, y'all, but 5 or 10 seconds. I normally do 10 seconds. So let me bring y'all a little closer. Dang it. Y'all can get up in here. Get up in this toilet. Okay, stick it in the water. Let it sit 5-10 seconds. Just to activate that cleaning solution. Yes, I forgot to mention that. Cleaning solution is already in this thing. My toilet, I cleaned my toilet before the video, y'all. So I'm really just scrubbing and showing you this real quick. I had washed everything down, this and this. That's why I don't have gloves on right now. Anyway, so you leave it sitting there, activate the solution, the cleaning solution, scrub around. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. You know, you can empty the water out your toilet first, however you clean your toilet, then scrub. You're done. Of course, you're going to scrub deeper, longer than that. When you're all done, all you got to do is, I don't need y'all seeing all up in my trash can. Anyway, when you're done, all you got to do is just place this over your trash can, press this little blue button to release the pad. See that drop off there? Ow! So then what I do, normally when I'm cleaning out the bathroom, I have all this because I have my gloves on and I don't want to touch this, so everything be out and ready for me, accessible. So anyway, you're going to take your Clorox wipes and you're going to wipe off the wand just like this. I'll finish this after the video. Anyway, you're going to wipe off the wand. Place it back in here. Normally, every time, I've already done this today because I cleaned the bathroom today, but you not only wipe off the wand, I wipe this off on the outside as well. This stays clean. You don't have to worry about, you know, the toilet brush holders and the water and all that other nasty stuff and looking at that, and it's more of a chore to keep clean. So, yes, you just wipe down everything. You probably don't have to do it every single time, but I like to. And then, you know, inside you got, I don't know how many in here. 20. Oh, I think I've showed y'all this. I may have showed y'all this in the last bathroom, how we changed the toilet handle to this right here to match the other stuff in here in the bathroom. I think I got this from Amazon too. If I did, I'll put that below. Next, look forward to, or what we got next is the shower doors. We need new shower doors. Decor, of course. Some kind of plant, flowers. We need to update this black hardware. That's going to be at the very end, last on the list, because we haven't had this black hardware that long. We got the black hardware in this bathroom from Lowe's, and y'all, it wasn't like cheap, it wasn't expensive, but I thought it'd do better than this. But it's already fraying, or what do you call it? Not discolor, but it's already like peeling and stuff on the faucet and the hardware on the cabinets. So I may just go back to chrome, maybe like the brush chrome, because y'all, well, you know, that never goes out of style. Chrome never goes out of style, okay? So let's just, we know that, and it's just easier to keep clean or whatever. But I'm gonna do a little research and see if I can find some black hardware that is not gonna just, the wear and tear is gonna be like this. Some real quality black hardware. So I may update, because I do like the black accents in here. I need a new stool for in here. It goes underneath these cabinets over here. And decor. And I don't know what else. But those are like the main things that's on my list for this bathroom. Now, if this is your first time watching me give a home update, go ahead and check out my house to home update playlist, okay? So you can follow me and see how we're making this old house look fabulous, look better. You may see some stuff that I'm putting in here or doing that you may want to do for your own home. So check it out. I want to thank y'all for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Tell your aunties, your cousins, your family, your co-workers, tell everybody to come over here and check me out. And I'll see you next video.